Natural treatment for depression. Depression affects a large number of people every year. It is so prevalent that a few doctors choose to call it common cold of emotional disorder. Home remedies will help you to overcome any kind of depression. Natural treatment. Exercise, in general, elevates mood and curbs any kind of depression. It alters mood-regulating brain chemicals norepinephrine and serotonin. These chemicals boost the mood. Any form of exercise, be it brisk walking, running, cycling, weightlifting or rope jumping, is helpful in curing depression. It has been observed that lack of sleep for a certain number of consecutive nights can lead to decreased production of serotonin, which in turn boosts depression. One should try to get at least 8 hours of sleep every day. Also, one should follow the routine of sleeping diligently, sleeping and waking up at the same time every day. Sleeping and waking at the same time helps body follow an internal rhythm, and the individual thus sleeps peacefully. Joining a similar interest group will help in coming out of depression. While the patient remains engaged in interests and activity groups, he/she would not have enough time to think about negative things that might be the reason for the depression of that patient. An individual can join various interests clubs like gardening, painting, book reading and cooking, among others. As the individual interacts with other people, his depression will remain at bay. It is a good way to keep track of the positive happenings in your life and to remind yourself that negative things cannot wear positive things down. People suffering from depression are suggested to maintain a diary. In that diary, patient can make either daily entry or weekly entry depending on his schedule. The patient should write about positive and negative things happening in their day-to-day life. The negative events remind the patient that good things are in store. In few researches, it has been observed that people who eat more of omega-3 fatty acids through consumption of fishes like salmon and tuna are reported to have lower rates of depression. Also, in places where the consumption of this fatty acids is more, depression rate is extremely low. Individuals suffering from depression should be fed food rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Saffron increases the level of chemicals like serotonin in the brain. Serotonin chemical is a mood-altering chemical and boosts mood. So, patients suffering from depression should consume saffron on a daily basis. A study shows that meditation is quite helpful in curing depression. It diverts the mind from negative things and focuses towards positive things. It channelizes negative energy and generates positive thoughts. This is a very effective tool in curing depression. Both the mind and the body gets engaged during yoga, and different posture alleviates stress. Yoga, if done with proper breathing rhythm, helps a lot in curing depression. Some people suffer from a particular kind of depression that is associated with dim light. In cold countries during winter, many people suffer from seasonal affective disorder during long winter nights. Through light therapy, this type of depression can be eased. The patient is exposed to bright light for 15 minutes to 2 hours depending upon the severity of his depression. Acupuncture is increasingly being used as a natural treatment for depression. One area where acupuncture has been studied for depression is in depression associated with pregnancy. Because of potential side effects of drug treatment in women who are pregnant, acupuncture would be a valuable alternative. Music therapy has been used to help improve the moods of people with depression. Sometimes it involves listening to music that promotes relaxation and positivity. Other times, it involves singing as a form of therapy. Kava is a root from the kava plant that is known for its sedative and anesthetic properties. It is most commonly used as an ingredient in relaxing teas. Areas of the South Pacific, including Hawaii, have used kava for stress release, mood elevation, and other calming effects. Rich in glutathione, a substance that specifically blocks intestinal absorption of certain fats that cause oxidative damage. Avocados also contain lutein, beta-carotene, vitamin E, and more folate than any other fruit. A single serving, about 1/4 of an avocado, has plenty of B vitamins, too. Blueberries have some of the highest levels of an antioxidant known as anthocyanin, and they've been linked to all kinds of positive health outcomes, including sharper cognition. But all berries, including strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are rich in vitamin C, which has been shown to be helpful in combating stress. Garlic is jam-packed with powerful antioxidants. Because stress weakens our immune system, we need friends like garlic, which can toughen it back up. Add garlic in daily diet for healthy diet. Green tea's brain booster. Experts suggest you have daily 2 cups of hot green tea, where you feel refreshed and filled with energy. Walnuts contain alpha-linolenic acid, an essential omega-3 fatty acid, and other polyphenols that have been shown to help prevent memory loss. Watch your food. There are certain foods which increase production of mood-altering chemicals and thus helps in curbing depression. Food like fruits, beans, vegetables and whole grains help brain release serotonin chemical, which is a mood-regulating chemical. On the other hand, food containing caffeine like colas and coffee suppress serotonin production, thus enhancing a feeling of depression. While alcohol increases mood for a while, but after some time it contributes as a strong factor in enhancing depression. A healthy and balanced diet is required for general well-being of a person. A healthy diet also helps a depressed person. A healthy diet provides energy and helps body repair itself. A deficiency of essential nutrients leads to sickness of body. Antioxidants help body locate and remove damaging cells like free radicals. These free radicals are responsible for obstructing normal functioning of body and also contribute to aging. Free radicals damage brain cells, leading to depression. A diet rich in antioxidants leads to repair of the tissues. One can consume vitamin E in the form of wheat germ oil and nuts. Also, one should consume vitamin C in the form of citrus fruits. Food rich in beta-carotene like broccoli, carrot, spinach and potatoes are helpful. Food like whole grains, vegetable, legumes and fruits increase fiber intake and provide energy. They also raise the level of serotonin. It has been observed that vitamin D has been shown to increase the mood of patients suffering from depression. One must include food containing vitamin D in one's diet. If you decide to try natural treatments for depression, let your doctor know. Remember, some of the most effective ways you can help your depression besides taking medication include eating well, getting enough sleep, avoiding stress, and having a good support system.